In a remarkable milestone for lunar exploration, Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost mission 1 successfully landed on the Moon early Sunday morning, marking a significant achievement in NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) initiative. The spacecraft touched down at 3:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time near Mons Latreille within the Mare Crisium Basin, approximately 300 miles wide. This mission not only signifies Firefly's first lunar landing but also represents a crucial step in NASA's broader Artemis campaign aimed at sustainable lunar exploration. The Blue Ghost lander carries a suite of 10 NASA science and technology instruments, which will operate on the lunar surface for about 14 Earth days. NASA Acting Administrator Janet Petro hailed the mission as a testament to the collaborative efforts between government and private sectors in advancing space exploration for the benefit of humanity. This incredible achievement demonstrates how NASA and American companies are leading the way in space exploration for the benefit of all, she stated. Since its launch from Kennedy Space Center on January 15, Blue Ghost has traveled over 2.8 million miles, relaying more than 27 gigabytes of data and facilitating essential scientific operations. One particularly noteworthy operation involved the Lunar GNSS Receiver Experiment, which successfully tracked signals at a record-breaking distance of 246,000 miles, showcasing the potential for using Earth-based navigation systems on the lunar surface. The mission has also explored radiation tolerance and computing through the Van Allen belts, further solidifying the technological advancements being made. Nikki Fox, Associate Administrator for Science at NASA, emphasized the importance of this mission in preparing for future exploration. The science and technology we send to the Moon now helps prepare the way for future NASA exploration and long-term human presence to inspire the world for generations to come, he remarked. The lunar instruments will focus on testing subsurface drilling technology, regolith sample collection, and radiation mitigation strategies, among other objectives. The data collected will not only advance lunar science but also provide insights into space weather's impact on Earth. In addition to the scientific objectives, the Blue Ghost mission aims to capture imagery of lunar sunsets and study the behavior of lunar dust as it interacts with solar influences, a phenomenon first observed by astronaut Eugene Cernan during the Apollo 17 mission. Firefly Aerospace's CEO Jason Kim expressed gratitude for the partnership with NASA, affirming that the Blue Ghost's successful landing lays the groundwork for future commercial endeavors in lunar exploration. We're now looking forward to more than 14 days of surface operations to unlock even more science data that will have a substantial impact on future missions to the Moon and Mars, he stated. Looking ahead, NASA's CLPS initiative has already awarded contracts to 5 vendors for a total of 11 lunar deliveries, with plans to send more than 50 instruments to various lunar locations, including the Moon's south pole. These contracts, valued at a cumulative maximum of $2.6 billion through 2028, underscore the growing interest in commercial lunar exploration and the potential for a thriving lunar economy. As the Blue Ghost mission unfolds, it not only promises to enhance our understanding of the Moon but also sets the stage for a new era of exploration that may one day extend to Mars and beyond. The collaborative efforts between NASA and private companies signal a transformative shift in how we approach space exploration, paving the way for innovative discoveries and a deeper understanding of our celestial neighbors. In a transformative leap for public health, a new vaccine utilizing mRNA technology has been approved for individuals aged 60 and over, marking a significant milestone in the ongoing evolution of vaccine development. This innovative jab mirrors the technology that underpinned the rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines, showcasing the potential of mRNA as a versatile tool in combating various health challenges. The approval, announced on March 2, 2025, is expected to bolster efforts in protecting older adults, a demographic often at heightened risk for severe illness from infectious diseases. The introduction of this vaccine illustrates the remarkable advancements made since the onset of the pandemic, when mRNA technology was thrust into the spotlight. The success of the COVID-19 vaccines, particularly those developed by companies like Moderna and Pfizer-BioNTech, has paved the way for expanding the application of this innovative approach. The new vaccine signifies not only a response to the ongoing need for effective immunization in older populations but also a testament to the scientific community's ability to quickly adapt and innovate in the face of global health crises. In parallel, Moderna Incorporated is ambitiously redefining the landscape of biotechnology with its continued investments in mRNA technology beyond the COVID-19 realm. The company is now venturing into personalized cancer vaccines, which could revolutionize treatment by tailoring therapies to the unique genetic makeup of individual tumors. This move toward personalized medicine signifies a paradigm shift where treatments can be more effective and have fewer side effects compared to traditional methods. Moreover, Moderna is expanding its pipeline to include therapies for cardiovascular diseases and rare genetic disorders. This strategic diversification is crucial as it not only mitigates the risks associated with dependency on a single product line but also positions Moderna as a leader in the biotech space capable of addressing a range of critical health issues. By leveraging our mRNA platform, we can develop tailored solutions that directly target the underlying causes of diseases, a Moderna spokesperson stated, highlighting the company's commitment to innovation. Sustainability also plays a pivotal role in Moderna's strategy. As the company embraces green biotechnology practices aimed at reducing environmental impact and appealing to a growing cohort of eco-conscious investors. This commitment to sustainability is not just a market trend, it reflects a broader societal shift toward ethical considerations in business practices. By minimizing waste and optimizing manufacturing processes, Moderna is setting a precedent for how biotechnology companies can operate with a conscience. However, the road ahead is fraught with challenges. The biotech industry is highly competitive with numerous players vying for market share in the burgeoning mRNA space. Additionally, the costs associated with research and development are substantial, and navigating the regulatory landscape remains a complex endeavor. As Moderna works to overcome these hurdles, the anticipation surrounding its advancements continues to grow. Experts believe that if Moderna successfully navigates these challenges, it could lead the way in establishing a new medicinal paradigm. The implications of its innovations extend far beyond vaccines. They hold the potential to reshape how we address various health conditions in the future. As the company forges ahead, its initiatives may well redefine not only the treatment of infectious diseases but also the broader healthcare landscape. In conclusion, the approval of the new mRNA vaccine for older adults is a significant step forward in public health, illustrating the rapid advancements made possible by this technology. Simultaneously, Moderna's exploration of personalized medicine and sustainable practices reflects a commitment to innovation that could have far-reaching impacts on healthcare delivery. As this narrative unfolds, the future of mRNA technology appears promising, with the potential to transform public health as we know it, an evolution that warrants close attention in the coming years. In a groundbreaking development for early cancer detection, researchers at Oregon Health and Science University (OHSU) have unveiled a promising new blood test that boasts an impressive 85% accuracy rate for identifying pancreatic cancer in its early stages. Dubbed Pac-Man, an abbreviation for protease activity-based assay using a magnetic nanosensor, this innovative test could revolutionize how clinicians approach one of the deadliest forms of cancer. Notably, the test costs less than a penny per sample and requires only a minute amount of blood, making it accessible even in underserved areas. Pancreatic cancer is notorious for its late-stage diagnosis, often when treatment options are limited. Dr. Jared Fisher, a scientist at OHSU's Knight Cancer Institute's Cancer Early Detection Advanced Research Center (CEDAR), emphasized the significance of early detection. Our goal with Pac-Man is to give clinicians a tool that can detect the disease much earlier when more treatment options are available and there is a better chance of survival. Current statistics are grim, with a 5-year survival rate of just 13% for all types of pancreatic cancer, underscoring the urgent need for effective early diagnostic tools. The Pac-Man test distinguishes itself by differentiating between the blood of individuals with pancreatic cancer and those without, with 98% accuracy. When combined with the existing CA19-9 test, it enhances diagnostic reliability for early-stage pancreatic cancer. Dr. Jose L. Montoya Mira, lead author of the study, highlighted the test's efficiency. It takes only 8 microliters of blood in 45 minutes to run the test at a cost of less than a penny per sample. This simplicity and affordability could democratize access to early cancer screening, particularly in rural settings where traditional testing methods may not be feasible. The introduction of Pac-Man represents a significant step forward in the fight against pancreatic cancer, with researchers hopeful that this test could serve as a model for future diagnostic innovations. Hopefully this is one step toward ending cancer as we know it, Dr. Fisher remarked, encapsulating the optimistic spirit of the research team. As the healthcare landscape continues to evolve, advancements like the Pac-Man test are crucial in addressing the long-standing challenges associated with cancer detection and treatment. Looking ahead, the potential implementation of this technology could not only improve survival rates but also change the trajectory of how pancreatic cancer is managed in clinical settings. With ongoing research and development, the dream of catching this lethal disease before it becomes a formidable adversary is inching closer to reality. As the world increasingly embraces the transformative power of technology, the realm of education is witnessing a significant shift with the growing popularity of artificial intelligence (AI) courses. This trend is not limited to traditional tech-centric fields. It is also making waves among professionals from diverse sectors including healthcare and education. A recent report highlighted the surge in interest among nurses and teachers, signifying a broader recognition of AI's potential to enhance various professions. The director of Carnegie Mellon University's undergraduate AI program noted the importance of flexibility in educational offerings, adapting to the unique needs of students from different backgrounds. As the demand for AI proficiency expands, institutions are compelled to rethink their curricula to prepare graduates for a workforce increasingly reliant on these technologies. It's crucial that we equip our students with the skills they need to thrive in a world where AI is integral to nearly every industry, the director emphasized. This educational shift is mirrored by the groundbreaking research being conducted in other fields such as rock climbing, where AI is being leveraged to standardize grading systems. At the University of New Hampshire, graduate student Blaise O'Mara is leading a project aimed at eliminating bias in rock climbing route assessments through deep learning models. Current grading practices rely heavily on subjective human judgment, which can vary widely from one climbing gym to another. There's a clear need for consistency in grading as climbing gains traction on the international stage, O'Mara remarked, underscoring the importance of fairness in competitive environments. O'Mara and his research team are exploring innovative solutions that involve integrating sensors and machine learning to analyze the physical characteristics of climbing routes. By collecting data on factors such as hold type and wall angle, they aim to develop a more objective grading system that could revolutionize how climbing gyms operate. Imagine being able to take a picture of a route and instantly receive a difficulty rating based on an AI analysis, he suggested, highlighting the potential for real-time applications of their research. The implications of AI extend beyond education and sports. They are reshaping industries as diverse as healthcare and environmental science. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately is proving invaluable in fields ranging from early disease detection to climate monitoring. The healthcare sector, for instance, is projected to grow significantly, with the AI market expected to reach $173.55 billion by 2029. This rapid growth reflects a broader trend where AI is facilitating faster, more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. On an even larger scale, AI is being harnessed to address global challenges such as climate change and food security. By analyzing historical climate data and current environmental trends, AI models can predict natural disasters, helping communities prepare and respond more effectively. In agriculture, AI-driven technologies are optimizing crop yields while minimizing resource waste, marking a significant step towards sustainable farming practices. As the integration of AI into various sectors continues to evolve, the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration becomes increasingly evident. The unique challenges posed by AI necessitate a concerted effort from educators, researchers, and industry leaders to create a robust framework for its application. The recent establishment of joint research initiatives such as the UK-Israel Tech Hub exemplifies this collaborative spirit, fostering partnerships that drive innovation across borders. Looking ahead, the future of AI promises exciting developments that could further enhance our capabilities in addressing not only professional challenges but also critical global issues. As more individuals from diverse backgrounds engage with AI education, the potential for groundbreaking applications will only expand. The convergence of education technology and research signifies a pivotal moment in harnessing AI's full potential, paving the way for a future where technology and human ingenuity work hand in hand to create a more equitable and sustainable world. In an unsettling development for global biodiversity, researchers have observed bumblebees exhibiting behavior that could signal a troubling trend in their population dynamics. This winter, unusually warm temperatures have led certain species of bumblebees in the UK to emerge from hibernation earlier than expected, prompting concerns about their survival and the broader implications for ecosystems reliant on these crucial pollinators. Reports from BugLife, a conservation organization dedicated to protecting invertebrate species, indicate that worker bumblebees were spotted constructing nests in late December in Aberdeen, Scotland, an activity typically reserved for spring. The fact that there are active workers means not only have the queens awakened from hibernation, but they have gone to the extent of starting new nests, stated Paul Hetherington, BugLife's Director of Fundraising and Communications. This behavior is particularly alarming given that bumblebees usually stay dormant until the arrival of spring, when weather conditions are more favorable for nest establishment. The implications of this premature activity are dire. Experts warn that the current lack of flowers available for nectar and pollen collection, coupled with the possibility of a return to colder temperatures, could lead to the collapse of these newly established nests. If this happens, there will be no new queens produced, meaning far fewer to emerge in spring, further feeding the known decline in bumblebees, Hetherington explained. Such a decline not only threatens the bumblebee population but also poses a risk to the delicate balance of ecosystems that depend on them for pollination. As key players in fertilizing plants, bumblebees contribute significantly to the size, abundance, and flavor of the fruits and vegetables that humans consume. In response to the mounting challenges bumblebees face from rising global temperatures and pesticide use, various initiatives are being launched to protect these vital insects. For instance, a conservation program in Texas employs specially trained dogs to locate underground bumblebee nests, enabling researchers to conduct more in-depth studies. Meanwhile, restoration efforts in the UK have seen the return of the rare bilberry bumblebee, showcasing the potential for targeted actions to reverse declines in specific species. As scientists continue to investigate the factors contributing to the early emergence of bumblebees, the situation serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for environmental stewardship. Homeowners can also play a role in supporting bumblebee populations by transforming traditional lawns into rewilded gardens that provide habitats and food sources for these insects. The winter of 2025 may be a wake-up call for conservationists and policymakers alike, highlighting the interconnectedness of climate patterns and wildlife behavior. While immediate actions can help mitigate some of the challenges facing bumblebees, the broader context of climate change demands a concerted effort across all sectors to ensure the long-term viability of these essential pollinators. As we look ahead, it is imperative to foster a deeper understanding of how anthropogenic factors are reshaping natural ecosystems, and to prioritize initiatives that safeguard biodiversity for future generations.